Yeah.
I can't grab it yet, but that's fine.
Press E on it.
I can't, it's still too far away.
Oh, it's still too far away.
How can you bastard?
Gosh, if you don't rank up half this game, I'll fucking eat my hand.
Nice. Defuse it!
Oh, I thought you died. Oops.
Really are a spacker.
Those eyes! He just gave me like the Yo, Josh, Maka just gave you the famous Mongolian death stare.
Yeah, of course. Oh, I'm so gonna die because of you.
Oh! Fuck, man!
Please.
Oh, fuck!
Yes, I got him.
Break hands right by Goose.
Yeah, because it's got graffiti on it that says good. Hello, Josh. Josh just popped his head up like, hello.
I like doing that.
Hello. It's even better now that your gun doesn't poke through the wall.
Come on, Hamish, you got this, you got this. Let's go!
Fucking kid.
Oh, I picked up the EMP!
Turn off auto
Fuck!
Ole, co za ludzie, kurwa.
Oh, no turn it off, where is it?
I'm a pro at this game, guys.
I've seen a guy. He's really fit. He's really fit. What? Want to take him home? What? Want to take him home?
Who was sure? Oh, last. Oh, wait. That's too short. Alright. I'm not sure, though. Oh, what a fucking noobs. Or Blanc.
I really want to drop a Molotov on Saber. Help! Help! Hey! Help!
Nay, fucked up!
The planet game, mate. The planet game. I need that.
I know, right? This one is
Thank God. Thank God you guys.
I didn't think it was actually gonna go that far.
Wow.
Nice, boys. Nice.
How could this happen to me? I made my mistakes, got nowhere to run. The night goes on as I'm fading away.
A knife in there.
Got distracted.
Mike, what just happened to your body, Tom?
What the fuck is that?
Smoke weed every day.
Take him out, mate.
Oh!
Whoa. Oh, they got you. Oh, shit. Fuck, man.